Section 1.3 Charge and Current. What is charge? Charge is an electrical property of the atomic particles of which matter consists, measured in coulomb. The letter C for short. About charge, you should know three things. The first one is the coulomb is a large unit for charges. Thus, realistic or laboratory values of charges are on the order of Pc, Nc, or μc. The second one is, according to experimental observation, the only charges that occurs in nature are integral multiple of the electronic charge E equals minus 1.602 multiplied by 10 to the minus 19th coulomb. The third one is the law of conservation of charge states that charge can neither be created nor destroyed, only transferred. Thus, the algebraic sum of the electric charges in a system does not change. Okay, now what is electric current? The electric current is the time rate of the change of charge, measured in amperes, and the letter A for short. And you can use the equipment to calculate the current, and we represent the current with letter I, and I equals dq over dt. That means the derivative of q with respect to the time t. For the current, you should know the convention. The current is the neat flow of positive charges, and the 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb per second. And in the figure 1.3, and you can see if an element is connected to a battery through the wires, and there will be a current in the element, and the charge transferred between time t0 and t could be calculated with this equipment. Q equals the integral from t0 to t, about I. And there are two currents. The first one is direct currents, and DC for short. It is a current that remains constant with time, and you can find the waveform in the figure 1.4 and the graph A. You can see the current does not change through the time is increasing. For the convention about DC, the symbol I, the letter I, is used to represent a DC current. The other one is alternating current, and AC for short. It is a current that varies sinusoidally with time, and you can find the waveform in the figure 1.4 and the B graph. This is the end of this section.